What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 120 and today's topic will be how to convert an YouTube video into graph using LangChain. Okay, so when I say graph, obviously it will be a graph document. Okay, so graph document means the informations are stored in the form of nodes and the and the connectivity between each node or the relation between each node is represented by something called relationship. So basically we are going to convert an YouTube video into graph document, and after that we'll be going to load the same thing into Neo4j. Okay, so I can change it to Neo4j graph, YouTube video to Neo4j graph using LangChain. Okay, so that is the ultimate thing. I hope you guys know what is Neo4j, but if you are not familiar with Neo4j, then probably you can go ahead and search for Neo4j playlist. You will get it in my channel, so just try to watch it, because knowing Neo4j is very important if you want to establish your career into the field of generative AI, and or else if you want to do something with the LLM or LLM application development, etc., then these things are very much important. Okay, now next thing, the source code will be available here. So as always, I'm not going to spend much time on theoretical part. I'll be just going to start working on the coding directly. Okay, so let me minimize this thing and first open my browser. So basically this is the video from YouTube I have selected. First, we'll convert this video into a text. Means we'll be going to get the audio transcript of the video using LangChain, and after that, that audio transcript will be converted as a LangChain document. And after that, we'll be going to convert the LangChain document into graph document. And later on, we'll be going to upload that graph document into Neo4j. Okay, so that is the ultimate thing. Okay, first thing first, let's convert that into a YouTube video to transcript. Okay, so I'll go here. So let's see. So here I'm just going to write a function, and that is going to convert the YouTube video into transcript, I mean text. Okay, so let's start working on that. Okay, so for that, the importing library is from LangChain community dot document loader. It will be import YouTube audio loader or YouTube loader. Yeah, sorry, it will be YouTube loader, right? And what we'll do now, we'll be going to write a function def then text. Okay, and there I'll be just going to write URL. Okay, now what will happen, so we'll write loader equals to YouTube loader dot from YouTube URL, and then we'll be going to write URL. Okay, so then what we'll do, we'll be just going to write docs equals to loader dot load. So everything is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll be just going to write print, right? Nothing else, we have to just write print. This is more than enough. Okay, print docs. Okay, and then we will test this function by then text. Okay, and there I'll be going to copy this thing. Let's try this. Okay, if this is going to fine, I'll be just going to add a return statement. Okay, so hopefully this will not take much time. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, fine. So let's see, we will add return docs. Okay, and I don't need this part anymore because I'll be going to call it from this gen graph. Okay, so my first part is ready. Here also I'm using LangChain. So see guys, LangChain is very powerful. So see, within one line of code we are actually going to transcribe the YouTube video, right? So this is just 10-minute video. Maybe if you increase the length, then also it will work. Okay, So now what will happen, we'll be going to write the gen graph thing. Okay, in gen graph what we'll do, we'll be going to call this function, and after that we'll be going to do the rest of the thing. Okay, so first thing first, what we'll do, we'll be going to import module with, then what we'll do, from LangChain experimental dot graph transformer. So it will be import graph transform. So basically, this module will use LLM. LLM means it will use that OpenAI LLM to convert this document into graph. Okay. So from from LangChain OpenAI. Okay. Import add OpenAI. Right. Okay, so next thing is we need to import LangChain community Neo4j graph from LangChain community dot graphs. LangChain community dot graphs, import Neo4j. Where is that? Here is the Neo4j, and then from script import text. From this module, I'm just going to import this function. Everything is fine. So now what will happen? We'll be going to set our LLM. LLM is chat OpenAI, and inside that I'll be just going to write our model. Model is, I'll be just going to use the latest model. Okay, right? Now we'll be going to write LLM transformer. Transform. Okay, LLM transformer, then LLM graph transformer, then LLM. Okay, LLM. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll be going to set up the Neo4j, right? So set up the Neo4j. What we will require, we'll be going to require couple of things. Okay, so let me import, let's say import from dot env import load.env, then load.env. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to create an environment variable file here .env, and there we will be going to write all the things, right? So these things are what? These things are Neo4j URI, Neo4j password, right? These things are very much important. Without that, without this thing, your graph will not be ready. So first is Neo4j API URI, Neo4j underscore URI. Okay, done. So Neo4j URI. Then next thing will be Neo4j username. So maybe I can just write Neo4j username. Okay, Neo4j username, and next thing will be Neo4j password. Okay, Neo4j password. I don't have database. I'll show you guys how you can create Neo4j database free of cost. So just go here and you have to go to this link and neo4j.com, and after that you have to refresh the page, okay, to check whether you have any sandboxes are running or not. First you have to go to this link and log in. You see I have nothing here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll be just clicking this blank database and create and download credentials. Okay, so this is happening. So let's wait. So things are running. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so ready. So connection details. So this is Bolt URL. So let's copy this thing and paste it here, right? Neo4j username is always Neo4j, right? By default username is always Neo4j. You can create custom, and this is a password. Don't worry guys, I will delete everything after the tutorial. Okay, so graph. So what will happen here now? So this dot get env. So here we will write, I think I think everything is set up here because it is already set up here in the environment variable, and after that I'm just going to set it up here. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to create graph equals to Neo4j graph. And what I'll do, I'll be just going to check whether this is working or not. Let me check it first. Okay, I'm just running this thing. Okay, so it's trying something. I don't know what it is trying. Let it like run. Meanwhile, what I'll do, I'll just go in this thing open, and I will click on it, copy, and I'll try to actually log in. Okay, so username password like this, paste, and let's execute. So this is the same thing, whatever we are trying. So let's wait. Yeah, I am not getting any errors. It means our credentials are set up correctly. Okay, so everything is fine. Now what we'll do, we'll be going to I just created this Neo4j graph. Now what is required? Now we'll be going to require the documents. So documents are actually coming from documents are coming from this gentext, and inside that I'll be just going to pass this URL. Okay, means this one. Let's copy and paste it. And if you see here, it's a blank sandbox. Nothing is there. Okay, so let's minimize this thing and paste it here. If I do this thing, what will happen? This is going to generate the document. Now, what will happen? I have to convert this document into graph document, right? So, to create a variable called graph underscore documents. Okay. Then LLM transformer, because I need an LLM transfer which I created here. LLM transformer dot. Okay. Convert to graph documents, and which document I want to convert this document. So this is ready. Now what we'll do, I'll be just going to print nodes and the relationship. Okay, so print. Okay, so I can simply write something like this. I can write nodes. Okay, like this. Okay, and it will be a string. So I have to write graph documents. Then it will be 0 index dot nodes. Okay. Okay, done. And what I'll do in the print, I'll be just going to do, and here it will be only relationships, right? Okay, graph underscore document 0 relationships. Okay, so let's execute here. Relationship. Okay, let's try to print this thing. Okay, so the moment I hit this thing, what will happen? This is going to call this function. Okay, and this is doing something here. We are not generating the graph, but before loading into the graph, I just want to see how my graph document looks, what are the nodes and what are the relationships. This is going to take at least 2 minutes because I have let's say hundreds of lines up there. Okay, so let's wait for some time, and once this is ready, so this is ready. If you see here, it is fast actually. See, this nodes and the relationships are there. So now what we'll do, I'll be just going to write graph dot add graph documents. Okay, and inside that I'll be just going to pass my variable graph documents. Okay, so you can print this thing, you can ignore this thing. What I'll do, I'm just going to ignore this thing because I don't want to keep this thing messy. Okay, clear? Now I want to show you here. So just refresh the count. Okay, nothing is there. I want to show you by running the query as well. I have nothing matching. Okay, return in, nothing is there. Why this query is taking time? I don't know. Man. Okay, so zero records. So now what I'll do, let's execute. Okay, so I'm executing. Okay, so this is going to create the graph. So now I'll understand the power of graph and the power of LangChain. Okay, So this OS module is not required. This module will do the thing. Okay. Okay. So something is happening. I don't know what is happening. Let's wait for some time because it will convert the document into graph document, and after that, it is going to take. So this part will take some time. Okay. So let's wait. Okay. Let's see how much time this is going to take. Maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, I don't know. But it must be fast. It's still taking some time. Okay. Still doing something. I don't know what it is doing, but doing something. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. If you see here, okay, what I'll do here, I will, yeah, you see, it comes. Okay, and if you click on the count, it is going to give you the count. 49 notes are there, 44 relationships types are there. Okay, all correct. Fine. Okay, that's it. And if I click on let's say person, maybe see there are multiple persons. So this is Napoleon married to this. Okay, forced to sign treaty with this person, attempted for this attempted assassination of Napoleon. So many different things are there. Okay. Okay. So there are other relationships are there, but those are not connected with Napoleon. Maybe it's not. Okay, this is a person, so that is why it is coming. So maybe if I click on this thing, you will find other relationships with Napoleon. Okay, we see Napoleon had multiple relationships. Okay, so that is how you view the graph, and that's it. Okay, and now if you want to do rag operation, then probably you need to extend it with some LangChain other retriever, right? LangChain retriever chains are there, you have to use it. So we can do it in the later part of the tutorial, maybe in the after 1 or 2 tutorial. But meanwhile, you guys can practice this thing. This is very handy, this is very useful, and this is very powerful, guys. Okay, I believe if you already started working in LLM LLM related use cases for company or freelance, or maybe if you're a student, then probably you already know how graph rags are evolving around, right, in globally actually. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. I'm just going to conclude the video over here, but before I conclude, I would like to raise couple of requests. These are all my personal requests, guys. Please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend. Actually, if you want to support me, just do these 3 things: subscribe, share, and please like and comment. I need your help, guys, because only your help can help me to grow. And the moment you guys are start engaging with my videos, start communicating by a comment, or maybe start sharing, or most important thing is actually, if you guys start putting some like and subscribe to my channel, YouTube algorithm will also going to push the video indirectly and directly, and that will help me to grow. And my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience. So guys, please help me grow, and I'm promising that I always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so enough of talking. I'm just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning. Thank you.